How's it going, YouTube friends? This is Midlife Moto Crisis. We make motorcycle-related content along with our dog, Ryder, the motorcycle dog, on our 2007 Harley Ultra Classic. Let us take you on our riding adventures like moto camping, motorcycle road trips, and finding those must-ride roads. So kickstands up, and I'll see you down the road. Don't forget, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and turn on notifications. We would be oh so thankful. On the last episode, we went and rode some brand new 2022 Harley Davison motorcycles at the Harley Davison Demo Days. We got to ride the Fat Boy, the Road Glide CVO, and a Sportster S. In this episode, we ride all the way to Titusville to check out a rocket launch. And we make the motorcycle my office for part of the day.
What's up, my YouTube friends? How's everybody doing today? Well, so today's a day we just got to go run some errands. Honestly, I've got to go and register this bad boy. We just got this new to me at least, F-150 here, and it's actually for my son. So let's head down to the tag agency and see if we can get this thing taken care of so we can get out there and drive it today. All right, I'll see you on the road. All right, my YouTube friends, we are headed down to the tag agency right now. It is beautiful down here in sunny Florida. Weather is great. Just look at how clear it is, and it feels nice and cool out this morning, which is a nice bonus when you live in Florida, because you're not going to get many more days like this. So slip on a light jacket and enjoy the ride. Let's get down the road. All right, guys, I couldn't have been in there for more than 5 minutes, man. It literally didn't take any time at all. No line whatsoever. That was harmless, guys, man. That was pretty easy. I mean, in and out, 5 minutes, no problem. Car's registered. She's ready to go. My son did the oil pan gasket yesterday and had a small little leak, so we want to go ahead and change the oil anyway, so he did the gasket while he was under there. So everything should be good. We're going to go ahead and fire it up. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. If not, if it does, we'll just have to get underneath there and start wrenching again, you know? I'm really thinking about heading down to the coast. I'm about 20-25 minutes away from Kennedy Space Center, and they are doing a rocket launch today, and that'd be cool to see. Maybe I'll take you guys out there. I do got to work today, so let me check my schedule, and if it works, let's get down the road. Let's go check out a rocket launch. I will see you guys down there. But we need to get down the road and get to this launch. It's gonna be cool, guys. I'll see y'all down there. What's up, guys? We are here at the park in Titusville, small little place in Titusville, and we're about 30 seconds from this thing taking off. So I've got a little bit of 3 cameras going right now, you know. Hopefully I get a couple different cool angles and you guys can enjoy this. Let's check it out. So yeah, man, we got a lot of people out here. Okay, I see it right there over there. There it goes. Oh yeah, you can see the rocket good. Check that out, guys.
4 private citizens are riding into orbit aboard the Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft, taking aim to the International Space Station. This is the first all-commercial mission to visit the research complex in space.
So there they go. How freaking cool is that?
It's nice to think one day in the future we will be once again be pioneering to colonize far distant lands beyond this world.
I can hear it in the distance. The rumbling. Hey guys, I want you guys to check out this camp chair here, man. That's how big it is. Look at this. Look at it. Open this up and I'll show you it. So it has magnetic poles like this that just kind of fold out very easily, which I need 2 hands, so I'll get back with it. So the cover goes on it just like this. It becomes a nice little small little lightweight seat with a little bag in the front where you can hold stuff. But it holds up to 300 pounds, and I've used it in 3 camp trips now, and it has worked out great for me. So if you guys want one of these, there will be a link in the description, and that also helps the channel out, so I'd appreciate that. It is the Kit Fox camp chair. It is a day that we're getting out of the office. It's a Friday. It's probably going to get busy here, but I'm going to work the first half of it right here in this park, and during my lunch hour I'm going to drive back. But yeah, so this is the office for right now, so let's get to work. Alright guys, before I get too much into work, let me show you my setup here right now. Alright, so I have my little desk right there. I've got my chair, my laptop's open right next to my bike. So guys, I brought the cooker, so I'm gonna make what I got here in my saddlebag, which is not much. Looks like we're gonna be doing some ramen noodles. So I got some water here, and I got my cooker. So let's fire it up. My noodles are done, guys, so I'm gonna sit here and enjoy some noodles. Take a break from work. Damn, that's hot.
about lunchtime for me, so I'm gonna head out of here. It is a beautiful day though, as you can see, man. It is wonderful out here in Florida, but I need to get back on the bike, get down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me today. Had to do some work, ate a little lunch, we got to see a rocket launch. Till the next one, man. I will see you down the road. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you all on the next ride.